right, so my trick for emptying the dishwasher. This is clean. It looks like, oh my God, I don't know where to start. Well, just start taking everything out. Take everything out. Take everything out. Just start taking it all out. All right, just make a pile on the counter. Take it all out. Use the other counter. And then just start taking all the silverware out. Just start taking it all out. Take it all out. Take it all out. Start putting it away. One hand. Just drop them where they need to go. Like you're the claw at an arcade. And you're playing in reverse. Arcade claw. Drop. 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 Alright. Now, the bottom is done. Load all the stuff that can go in the bottom. Load all the stuff. Load all the stuff. Load all the stuff. Just keep loading the stuff. Keep loading the stuff. You got utensils. If it goes in the top shelf, just leave it for later. But all the bottom shelf. Bottom shelf. Okay. Bottom shelf complete. Everything that can go on the bottom is in. Now you can start putting stuff away. My hands are wet. All right, now that everything's already out, we just put it away. Put it away. Just start taking everything out. Take everything out. Make a pile. Pile it up. Once everything's out, everything out. Drop it on the counter, who cares? Now, the top's empty. We can load the top. Load in the top. Now, the sink is empty, dishwasher is loaded. Now you just gotta put away what you took out. Good. Good job. Just start putting it away. Start putting it away. Start putting it away. Just start putting it away. Putting it away. Just start putting it away. Putting it away. If they're wet, doesn't matter. They'll dry. Boom. Fastest 5 minutes, 45 seconds. Done.